Start again to the mall. Sit down.
What is this?
You order. Then you order. Yeah, go, go, go. I will interview you because you're very pretty. How you can say, what you can say in Malaysia?
Here we are. I'm very happy that I'm here in Malaysia, celebrating Ramadan and seeing the beauties of Malaysia. Malaysia is very beautiful. I recommend everybody to come and visit Malaysia. It's beautiful. The people, beautiful, very nice, very respectful. I love it. And of course, having beauty like this,
Yeah.
why not?
So that is Evelyn Adorno from Puerto Rico, but living in New York. Yeah. So pretty, right?
If you say so, my love.
Madam, you look, see? You're gaining, madam. You're lose weight. Thank you so much, madam, for the good compliments.
Take pictures, not only video. Oh, look at that.
This is the famous Tines brand ambassador. Happy. Okay, wait, ha, don't. Very nice. We will go there later.
From here, from Malaysia, a beautiful country. I'm here celebrating Ramadan with my hubby and my best friend Aisha and her granddaughter. This has been amazing. Please, you need to come one day and visit Malaysia. This is the beautiful Malaysia. Look at the malls right here. Isn't that beautiful? I'm so happy I get the privilege that Allah gives me the privilege to come and visit Malaysia. People very beautiful, respectful. They say hello with their hand in their heart. I love them. Thank you and God bless. Allah bless.
Thank you, madam, for the good compliments. What you enjoy here in your vacation in Malaysia? All right. From Puerto Rico, Evelyn Adorno. This is Japanese. Yeah. Looks good, cook good. Just don't touch, ha. Nice color, madam. Oh, I like. How much that one? No price? Eat well, live well. I think so. Cosmic cookware. This is the price here, I think. Yeah.
This size, this.
I like that.
Over here they have prices for this.
I think this is the one. Best seller.
I knew it was the most expensive one. Why I knew it was the
This is the good luck in thank you. It sucks. RM value by RM10 RM, where is it the 10?
Every shirt here long sleeve.
Nice decoration, guys. Where is it? Guys, how beautiful. The windmills.
Yeah, baby. ¿En serio?
I got the train. This is PH to KL TV. Thank you for watching. Be safe.